Okay, I'm going to talk about double dies and try to explain how these things are made. This is your penny. This is the die that makes the penny. Now, before they can make the penny, they're going to make the die. And it's when they make the die, this is the working die, they're going to impress it. They're going to squeeze in a working hub to put the design here so that later when they go to make the penny, it ends up there. Because they're going to take these things and just jam them together so darn hard, whatever design is there comes out in the penny. Now this is what gets doubled. It's going to show up here. And this is going to be the master hub because I need something, you know, to show you how this works. I want a design in there. I'm going to press the design in. Okay. And it's going to stick. There we go. And, well, that's going to be hard to see. Look at that. There's my design. Looks just like what I put into it. So if I make the penny out now, or whatever coin, it's going to have that same image, but it's going to be sticking up because it's going to go into that gap. It's going to go squeeze into the space of the void. Now, the thing is with these dies, sometimes they get done a second time, and it doesn't always line up. It's a little bit shifted, right? And you get two impressions. This is a really bad example. It's the peanut butter. There, and that'll be a triple die. Let's try wiggling it. There you go. Now I've got two impressions of the key. So when I go to make the coin, I get two impressions here. The key thing about the double die is the width increases. You know, you look at the letters, oh, the numbers down here, yeah, these are really big enough to see. And they're going to be wider, they're going to be thicker. Now sometimes it'll twist, in which case you've got one impression and then it twists a little and you have a second impression. And you get this little line right down the middle. Now you have what's called a separation line. Some coins you'll see, you know, they're kind of doubled and they got a little line down the middle, so it's clearly shifted. But also look right here at this point. You have this little notch here. It's a dead giveaway. Now things like the 55 double die cent, that's where it went in and then shifted dramatically. So you have two clearly separate, distinct impressions. When you make the coin, it's going to come out. Let me get more peanut butter here. Oh yeah, this is working great. Alrighty, we're going to clean this up for a week. And you get two separate, distinct impressions on the finished product. Well, that's just to give you an idea how it works. You know, you stick your thumb in the die once, it leaves a mark. You stick it in again, but leave it, you know, shift it over just a bit, it's going to be a wider mark. Wow, this is just totally failing. I'm going to make, look at the mess I'm making here. Well, anyway, review the video and maybe you'll learn something. Thank you.